want to go first so I can get you on video?
Sure, why not? This one has grass track in it too, so. We got mud.
Oh no, dude.
An 890 guy may have went down here. I hear that adventure bike guy down there breath bombing. Yeah, he went down.
I'm gonna have to help him.
Okay. Well, you want to wait here for him, or you want to try to squeeze by him?
You might need our help getting it up.
Where are we gonna lean our bikes?
I don't know.
Decent spot. I might have to go down to a tree.
Yeah. Is there a spot in the bottom we can set our bikes up?
I think so. I think we can get down to a tree. Alright, I'm gonna try to squeeze by. Get down here on a tree, I'll be back up to help. Hey, yeah, we got trees. We're good.
I kind of don't want to sit in the middle of the trail, though.
I mean, what are the options?
Just keep going and use those trees up there on the other side.
Okay. Oh, God.
Oh, he's got it up, but...
Oh, hell, he's in a bad spot. You care if I put my phone in your dry box?
Sure, buddy.
So if I crash in the water again, I won't waterlog my may or may not be waterproof phone.
Oh, he got it.
Sweet.
Nice.
Every file.
Oh! I thought you had it after that, man.
You see me like I can't counterback?
That was nice coming around that tree. I thought there was no way you were going to do that. Absolutely. Yeah. Okay.
Hey, Matt.
Okay. All right. It's greasy. Oh. It's greasy. Oh my God. Oh, I need to let you in front of me.
Then we're getting in. Sorry, buddy. Think Mike would like this?
I don't think you would. I don't know if I do.
Alright, greasy and Mom.
Letting her eat, buddy.
Yeah.
You gotta just let her eat. This. Ow! Whoa! Got a dirt bike behind me.
Okay. Pull over and let him by. Yeah, hi.
Whoa!
Watch that hole. Yeah.
Yeah. There wasn't much line choice there.
No, there wasn't.
Dude, there's no way I'd take that BMW down in that stuff. Way too nice of a bike, man. You know what he paid for that thing, probably?
He probably don't care. He's probably got pockets. Bottomed out bad there.
Yeah, I even bottomed out. Whoa!
Yeah.
Deceivingly nasty.
Yeah, it is.
So I wonder what part they skipped then to pass.
I don't know. They must know the roads locally. Maybe they bailed out of that hard stuff.
Yeah.
Tractor on our right.
The tractor.
Yeah. We got in the tractor. Golly, bud, that come out of nowhere.
Yeah, that was nasty. See, you can tell this stuff occasionally gets ridden. No fresh dirt to grab on.
Oh yeah, buddy, it's like we're just at fast track right now.
Yep.
There's rocks.
This reminds me of that grass track we rode at Sky Tracks.
Yeah.
Is that what you meant?
Yeah, or I mean, fast track does some grass stuff too, I think.
Yeah, they do, but the hillside reminded me of Sky Tracks.
Yeah, except for in this time we're on bikes that are 2 times the weight.
Yeah. Oh my god, bro.
Oh no. And you're doing a good job of messing these lines up for these 300s and stuff, but oh god. One outside. Uh-oh.
Holy cow, buddy.
Yeah, easy peasy. Beef cake.
At least those things weren't wet.
Yeah. Oh.
Like turn track berm.
The something berm.
This is epic. Ferns and vines and stuff.
in between just mountain ranges to jungle to whatever, everything, you know?
Uh-huh. Probably gonna need a set of brake pads after this too.
Oh yeah, wearing them out. Probably do clutches too. All the time, but occasionally we get out here in some of this stuff and I can tell that we're on dual sports again.
Is your Oh, this is gnarly.
Yeah, it is. Big orc.
I got stuck.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get rid of the dirt. God. Okay, back from there. Alright, I'm gonna kind of collect myself here a second because we got a log hop.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Alright. Over the hill and through the woods.
Yeah.
That's two more. They don't look bad.
Second.
There we go. Pretty big. Yeah, I didn't hit it the smoothest. I wasn't on the peg. On the pegs, it might be alright. Okay. This thing, there's another log hop, and this is gonna be tricky. We're up on this one.
We got dirt bikes catching us.
Okay. Like, how close were they?
About 50 yards.
Okay.
But they were gaining fast, so.
Oh yeah, I'm at. Pull
over up here and, like you said, just kind of catch breath for a second.
Okay.
Whoa, shoot!
Oh!
You just destroyed that rock, bro. Hope you didn't break anything.
No, I didn't. It sounded like it didn't touch the ground. Okay. Ow. Got my arm in that tree a little bit. Okay. That was a long hop. Wow. We get more falls than that, buddy. Oh. What, you judging?
Yeah, I suppose. Shoo-wee! Yep.
Yeah. Ooh, rocks, big, lots of rocks. Check my gear. Alright, good.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Not that bad, we're good. Making it. For the long hop though. Right in the rocks. You know what? For the sake of not breaking stuff, cheat.
Go around. Perfect.
The awards and the completion, not the journey. Okay.
I think on these bikes we're allowed a couple tiny go-arounds.
squirrel hours. Whoa.
Definitely rained over here.
Yeah, it did. It's greasy. My GoPro's off again. I do not know why I'm doing this.
Must be bad batteries that have been like sitting too long, not used, and they were reading charge, but they aren't. Holy cow. These freaking rocks.
Yeah, the rocks are impacting on that. These rocks, man.
I've already got like a blister on my finger where I've been using the clutch so much.
Yeah, I'm not there yet. Kind of just like my tractor. That's why I'm kind of slowing down some spots. Whoa, bro, come here, buddy. You might want to get.
Whoa, I dropped it. Ah.
Oh, buddy, get the front of that. What? Oh, thank you.
I'm stuck.
You're stuck? Alright. I'm gonna park the bike up on a tree.
I'm coming. I'm coming. My tire's packed up. Okay.
What? No, I didn't even flood it out. Yeah, I'm still there. I'm flooded out.
Oh, shooey.
Alright, we got the gravel road.
Ah. I got cross-rutted halfway up the hill and it was bad.